Essential backpacking gear helps you be more efficient on the trail. It's all about doing more with less. When it comes to essential packing, make sure to only bring the things you absolutely need to survive in the great outdoors. So in this video, we'll show you 10 essential backpacking gear that you must have to make your next trip more efficient. Looking for a way to see the world up close? The Aether Monocular telescope brings distant objects into sharp focus with its powerful 80x magnification when paired with a 10x smartphone lens. It's user-friendly, featuring a dual focus system that helps you quickly spot your target. The large lens provides a wide view, allowing you to take in more of the surrounding scenery. Thanks to optical glass and fully multi-coated lenses, the image you see is crisp and bright, even in less than ideal lighting conditions. This telescope performs well in low light too, as long as there's a bit of illumination on your subject. For easier handling, you can mount it on the included tripod and attach it to your smartphone. This setup lets you capture steady photos or videos of your observations. It's perfect for various outdoor activities like stargazing, hiking, or watching sports events. Built to last, the telescope has a non-slip rubber exterior for a secure grip. You can adjust the eyepiece for comfort, and it's easy to focus with just one hand. Whether you're passionate about nature, sports, or simply exploring, this telescope helps you discover the world's details in a whole new way. Next, here's the Durston X-Mid Pro, one that ticks all the boxes of a backpacker's dream. Yes, this tent stands out with its incredible spaciousness, offering more room than any other 1P tent while maintaining an ultralight design. Setting it up is a breeze with its 4-stake pitch, magnetic door toggles, and user-friendly features. But what truly sets it apart is its storm-worthy durability, thanks to a full-coverage fly, peak vents, and zippered doorways. Made with ultra-strong Dyneema fabric, it's ready to handle harsh conditions. When it's time to pack up, its compact size ensures it won't hog space in your backpack, a must-have for solo adventurers. Whenever it's about outdoor navigation in the wild, a compass is a must-have in your backpack. So, here comes the Path 22. With its ultra-sleek design, it effortlessly attaches to backpacks, jackets, key rings, or even first aid kits. Plus, its exceptional durability ensures it withstands harsh conditions. What sets it apart is its innovative design, allowing you to customize between liquid-filled and air-filled options, catering to your personal preferences or environmental conditions. This versatile compass offers confidence in navigation across various activities and environments. If you seek a minimalist yet highly functional compass, this one is your ideal choice, eliminating the bulk and inconvenience of traditional compasses for a seamless outdoor experience. Now comes the Nitecore NU25 UL, an ultralight headlamp designed for outdoor enthusiasts. With a 400 lumen output, versatile lighting modes, and a 1.59-ounce weight, it's an ideal choice for those who prioritize lightweight gear. The headlamp features various modes, including red LEDs for night vision, and is equipped with a rechargeable battery. It's constructed to be durable, impact-resistant, and water-resistant. On the plus side, the adjustable headband is easily removable for cleaning, making it a reliable choice for hands-free illumination during outdoor adventures. When you're camping and need to cook, you'll need a portable stove that can handle tough conditions with ease. So, check out the Soto Windmaster. It can boil 2 cups of water in under 2.5 minutes, even in strong winds. The pot sits close to the flame, making it highly efficient in windy weather. The concave design of the burner head acts as a built-in windscreen. It comes with a 4-flex pot support, suitable for larger pots, and the tri-flex support can be purchased separately for smaller pots. And the stove is well constructed and durable, ready for the demands of outdoor adventures.
Alright, we just saw some cool gadgets that are now quite popular, but that wasn't always the case. A lot of marketing had to be done for them to garner such a fan base. So if you are a business owner and want to increase your sales and drive more traffic to your sites, you should check out today's sponsor, Tik Tok For Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. With TikTok for Business, you can launch your first campaign in just 3 easy steps. First, answer a few questions, and TikTok will create a personalized marketing plan just for you. Then, craft your content using an easy-to-use template or upload existing creative. Finally, run your campaign and watch your business reach new heights with the most engaged audience online. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today.
When it comes to a backpacking gear list, a compact yet versatile backpack is absolutely essential, isn't it? So, here's the Osprey EXOS 48. This ultralight backpack is designed for experienced hikers who prioritize comfort and minimal weight. It strikes a perfect balance between size and weight, discouraging overpacking. The airspeed suspension ensures excellent ventilation and comfort, while durable materials guarantee longevity. Smart design features like removable lids and multiple pockets offer versatility. It's equipped for various adventures with ice axe loops, trekking pole attachments, and hydration options. Plus, it's made from 100% recycled materials, appealing to eco-conscious hikers. Next, we have the SE2 Summit Ultralight Insulated Air Sleeping Mat that balances lightweight design, comfort, and durability. Its air-sprung cell construction guarantees a peaceful night's rest, and its insulation effectively preserves warmth in diverse environments. Furthermore, the combination of its 30D and 40D face fabric and superb lamination establishes elevated reliability benchmarks in design and materials. Easy inflation and deflation, facilitated by the versatile valve and the Airstream pump and stuff sack, contribute to user-friendliness. Also, supplementary attributes such as the antimicrobial treatment, the pillow lock system, and the inclusive repair kit further elevate its desirability. Have a look at the Powerfilm Lightsaver that ensures you have a power supply at your fingertips anytime and anywhere. Its military-grade thin-film solar technology offers unmatched durability. Weighing just 4.9 ounces and featuring a 3,200 mAh internal battery, it efficiently charges small devices like cell phones and GoPros. This ultra-portable charger's flexible design ensures it takes up minimal space in your backpack. With around 6 hours of full sun exposure, it's ready to power your devices. Its versatility and ruggedness make it an essential tool for any outdoor adventure and enhance convenience in a compact package. Now, we have the Surviveware Stormproof matches to fire up in any challenging situation. These matches are genuinely stormproof and windproof, standing strong against the harshest weather conditions. They come in a heavy-duty waterproof container that's nearly indestructible and even floats. What sets them apart is the striker strip on the inside, ensuring a dry surface for ignition. These matches are essential for camping, survival kits, and emergency bags. They are a game changer for hunters and preppers, eliminating the need for primitive fire-starting methods. Prepare yourself with the Adventure Medical Kits for any injuries during hiking or camping. This portable medical kit is thoroughly tested by professionals. And to keep your backpack ultralight, this kit comes with only the most needed high-quality medical supplies. All the essentials are compactly packed in its watertight case, so you can travel even in a moist and wet environment without worrying about the medical supplies getting wet. Plus, it has plenty of wraps and bandages to immobilize fractures and wounded areas. So, there's no chance of running out of emergency supplies in the middle of your adventurous trip. In short, these ultralight and watertight adventure medical kits can be all in one for the next adventure you are heading out on. So, that concludes our list of 10 essential backpacking gear you must have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.